All right, we're going to JetBlue is over this way. This way. Going to San Juan today. Let's head on to TSA.
Hi, this is Mayor Jane Casper. On behalf of our great city of Tampa, I wish you safe and happy travels. May your journey
What's up, Neo?
always lead you back to the Tampa Bay region.
All right, here we are at 8. There it is. 590. Yep, 590 JB. There it is. Look how beautiful that is. Yes, sir. Here it comes from San Juan, taking us to San Juan. Parking at A14.
Big shot of jet.
We're finally going right now. Pretty good day. Welcome, welcome. Yep, sweet. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Great leg room. Wow, wow. We got a couple windows at row 17, but it's no biggie. It's alright. 16's gonna slightly better line, but it's closer to the wing. Oh yeah. Love that phase too. Let's take a look at the seat. Legroom's fine. Got a power outlet down there, USB. Got the USB here, a couple headphone jacks. The seat itself is nice and firm. It's not too paddy, but it's firm and comfortable. It's not bad at all. So, pretty good, pretty good.
Board restroom and one of the restrooms in the back. To avoid crowding in the aisle, please wait at your seat until the restroom's available. Our services will begin momentarily. Captain has asked us to wait in our seats. He'll notify us when we're safe to get up for the in-flight crew, because we anticipate a few bumps as we reach altitude.
Yeah, but that was
JetBlue welcomes you to San Juan, Puerto Rico. The time is 12:24 p.m. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. Check bags today available at carousel number 4. Again, that's carousel number 4. If you have a bag tag receipt that says claim a gate, you may pick up those items outside the front boarding door.